Recently, around 25 residents of Malchapara village in the border area of West Khasi Hills District had escaped to a nearby forest for safety and security from the Assam police, who have been looking to arrest them for reasons not known to the residents. It was after the 13th night of their stay in the forest without food that they were able to return to Nonglang village to a makeshift shelter in the office of the Sirdar of the village of Langdongdai. The returnees informed that 2 of the 25 people had been arrested and are housed in one of the jails in Assam after having been implicated for something they have no knowledge of. Today, residents of as many as 10 border villages of Tarabari and Gizang sectors, under the leadership of President of the Tarabari and Gizang Border Joint Committee, G. Sangma, had shown their support to the 23 people. The secretary of Hima Nonglang, Birbor Ryangtem, who had visited the returnees, urged upon the MDA 2.0 under the leadership of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to speed up the process of resolving the border issue so as to prevent further escalation of the matter, which might affect the safety and security of the inhabitants of the particular border area of Meghalaya.
Nagaliang jong ki arp sangut ki dekhot ki briu na po Shillong Malchapara kila wan ban syong ban sa ha office jong Sirdar te hadin bangila kali prathau ki mat ke jing da ka ba ki pulit Assam kila wat ban kam ban pharap jubor yaki kumta kila phatcha khlaw man tal artiyo te hadin bagi asngoi kani ku pon nagaliang jong ngila ra yaki chikne office ka kajing thumu jongi kalong banyada ile jongki khon ki rayat te mantagasngi ka basngo phla kalong ba ki phongut tali ki Shillong na ki Shillong border kilawan sekani ka office jong Sirdar kilai penlong meeting but ka meeting ka ba kila penlong kum ka hima ngidon kajing sngow ha ka ba maki kila sim ya ka wai garai ka batang lada ka sarkar kam le anda nagaliang jongi ka hima ngi karpat ya ka sarkar ba phinle no nagabanta ka jing ka ba kini ki Shillong border ki kendo namar ngi skam ba kini ki phautli ki Shillong ki badon haka Tarabari bat ka Gizang sector kidai ki sipai jong yada jong ka jala ka jongi te lada phimpai phimburom ki sipai ki beda ya ka jala ka jongi ka ding ka ban kalang na kiti ki phautli ki Shillong ngemtep ya kata nagaliang jongi ngi bu ka jing karpat ya sarkar hoy ki snem hakipor ki balai ngila ajing tho sibun shaduka sarkar jala shaka so deputy commissioner ngila ajing tho ki babun handai hadu manta ngemyo idak ba kin yarap te ka jing karpat jongi kalong ba smo bah ka sarkar jong konar sangba kumbangi tip ka sarkar MDA ka baar bakin le no khamkloi hachwa ba ka ding kan klang nangthi na border but ka ban jia yaki aya ka jala ka jong ngim tep ta ka baburam ya ka sarkar ngibu kani ka jingkarpat bakil no haswa kini ki sngi kumba kila bu por bala singin kong ken penlong ka jinge khi hasilong te nagaliang jong ngi karpat sachin pat ka sarkar bakan le no bakan penbait no mardor ya kini ki jing ki ba ki kendo khnang ba ka ding ka ba ki kidon haka jing mansim ka jong ki kanam klang cheno nama lada phiale kumne ka thangsaw ya ka jing teblam ka jong ki menta kile ino ya ki hing ka sam kim tip ki pang ne ki stom ne ki mat ki jingjar kumno se ying sam kim tip